Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making sheet pan Italian-style crumble tofu. So hop on board and let's get cooking. We take 2 cups of crumbled tofu, 2 tablespoons of Bragg seasoning, 1 tablespoon of dried basil, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire vegan Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of minced dried onion, and 1/4 teaspoon of spike seasoning, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Mix it all up. And then we're going to let it marinate for about 30 minutes before we roast it in the oven on a sheet pan. Spray it with a little oil. Take our marinated tofu, spread it out in a single layer. And we're going to roast it in a preheated oven for 25 to 35 minutes or until the tofu is nicely browned. If you liked what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.